If you happen to be watching this video before March 3rd, 2025, you have the opportunity to buy this Tesla Model 3 for only $249 per month. That's insane to think that you can get a brand new Model 3 for that cheap of a price. In this video, I'm going to tell you why a brand new Model 3 is the best car you can buy for the money. $249 a month is of course a lease deal where you have to put down $3,000 to get that monthly rate. But still, $249 a month is nothing to get a car that's as good as this. You could either subscribe to Netflix, Hulu, Disney, Prime, Paramount, or cancel your subscriptions and buy this. Would you rather go eat at really fancy restaurants each month or lease a Model 3? Even if you didn't want to lease a Model 3 and you wanted to buy it instead, it would still be in the low 40s, or if you add in the federal government incentive and gas savings, it would be around $30,000. At 30 grand, you could buy this over a Honda Accord or a Toyota Camry. If you ignore the tax incentive and the estimated gas savings, this is still going to be cheaper in the low 40s than a comparable Mercedes C-Class or BMW 3 Series. And look at the kind of car you're getting for that money. You're getting the most technologically advanced vehicle in the world, one that can drive itself. To be fair, you do have to pay an additional $8,000 to get full self-driving, but even if you don't get that, you still get a car that's the most advanced consumer car in the world. This is the refreshed Model 3, and they took the existing Model 3 that was already pretty great and made it even better. They improved on the looks of the Model 3 in every possible way except the wheels, which are still as ugly as ever. Since the Model 3 is an electric car, you're only paying $249 a month if you lease it. There's no gas costs, and you get extra practicality with this frunk. Pretty good sized trunk too. No gas tanks, you have extra space to fit stuff. Even more storage underneath this panel. That's what makes this cheap electric Model 3 such a great daily driver and an uber practical car. For $249 a month, you get such a great interior, and Tesla fixed a lot of its quality problems. These door panels, the fit and finish is so much better than what existed in old Teslas, including my 2021 Plaid. It's clear that Tesla got tired of all of us complaining about its quality problems and did something about it. All the crazy trim issues I have on my Plaid, I can't really find that on this 2024 model. They also added ambient lighting where you can change the colors. It's easier to see this at night, but that's pretty cool. How do I get that in my Tesla? Tesla is not only improving the quality of their vehicles, but they're also dropping the price. Now that's an amazing combination. Now the reason the Tesla prices are so low is because sales are dropping, and so the easy thing to do is just drop the price. Tesla might not be doing so hot these days, but that just means you and I get crazy good deals like this. The steering wheel looks and feels great, and there's really good attention to detail. Sadly, the terrible buttons for signals still remains. I've talked about this in other videos, but not having the signal stocks is a really bad idea. I hate having the buttons on my Plaid, and even after all this time, I'm still not used to it. With those signal buttons, you always have to take your eye off the road. It's actually kind of dangerous. I guess the idea is that human drivers will soon be irrelevant, so what's the point catering to them? These things are about to drive themselves. The screen and the menus are the same as the old Tesla. Not a lot has changed on this front. The center console area is upgraded. Everything has a nicer feel to it. It's all those little things that give you a premium feel that you experience in a Mercedes or an Audi. You now get those in a Tesla. It's so ironic that finally Tesla has caught up with BMW and Mercedes in terms of interior quality and feel, and now Tesla is also the cheapest of the bunch. Not that I'm complaining, it's because of that reason that the Model 3 is such a screaming deal at $249 a month. There's no way that you can get a German counterpart of the Model 3 for anywhere close to that price point. Your passengers in the Model 3 will also have a better time in this brand new one. They have their own screen now with climate control, with a movie theater, with music, and they can also push the front seat forward or backwards if they want. That's a lot of electronic gadgetry for a car that costs you a little over 2 grocery bills per month. The gap between the Model S and the Model 3 is so close now. Obviously the Model S is bigger, but this car is so impressive. I'm having a hard time finding anything wrong with it. With all these great updates made to the Model 3 and at that price point, you really can't find a better car. If you buy a new Model 3, the big thing you'll notice is just how quiet the car is. Because it's an electric car, obviously there's no engine noise. And with the new car, it means that everything is intact. There's no rattles, it absorbs all the bumps. It's extremely quiet, like a library almost. You'll also notice a significant improvement in ride quality, especially over the older Model 3. This is almost as good as my Model S, which has air suspension. And that tells you something. It's very comfortable and definitely in its class of cars, one of the most comfortable rides. I'm driving the base Model 3, which is still pretty quick, 4.9 seconds, 0 to 60. But if you wanted to get the performance version, obviously not at $249 a month, you would get incredible performance, 2.9 0 to 60, almost as fast as the Plaid. But to get something as practical and as affordable as this Model 3, you're getting a ton of car. You get great speed, great ride quality, the handling is really good. The steering wheel in the new Model 3 definitely feels better than the older one. And I think the seats feel better too. The older Model 3 had seats that were on the squishier side. This is firmed up and provides better support. If you've never driven a Model 3 and you get into a brand new Model 3, this is hands down the best car you could drive for $249 a month. I think you'll absolutely be shocked to realize that you could be driving a car that's this good at that kind of a monthly payment. Like I mentioned before, not having a signal stock in this car, just like I lack one in my Tesla Model S Plaid, is a super annoying thing. I can't tell you how irritating it is to try to feel around for these signal buttons or try to look for them. It's the absolute worst. But I can look past all that because the rest of the car is just so fantastic. The only thing to think about when buying this is you completely have to ignore the fact that every single one of your neighbors has a Tesla. But that's hardly a surprise because this car is really that good. And if you're worried about charging, the superchargers are everywhere these days, and it's almost as easy to own one as having a combustion engine vehicle. And you're starting to see more and more chargers everywhere, so battery range anxiety with the Tesla is almost non-existent. If you're in the market for a new car and you really need to buy one today, don't buy the Model 3, lease it. You might be thinking that leasing is just a waste of money where you're throwing away all that cash. In some cases, yes, but when you're only paying $249 a month, you come up with that $3,000 down payment and you pay that for 3 years. That's $12,000 over 3 years. Now, if you buy this car for $45 and in 3 years it's only worth $15, you're out 30 grand. When you have no idea how far Tesla could depreciate, leasing is a safer way to go. In this video, I talked about just what happened to Tesla Model S Plaid prices. Paying $12,000 to drive a car like this for 3 years, that's pretty low in my opinion, especially considering the fact that there's no gas costs. That's what makes the $249 a month lease deal such a great value. Maybe even wait a month or two and get this magnificent car for $199 a month. Leasing a new Tesla Model 3 is the way to keep your mental sanity intact. Regardless of what happens to the future of Tesla, one thing is for sure, this is the best car you can buy for the money today.